Yeah, so it's been a while. It's been a while. Some progress on the Land Rover. So Johnny's been hard at work. The bulkhead's back in. It's painted. We've got the chassis that's been galvanised, and Johnny's actually even painted that black as well, which is looking really good. The motor's in now as well.
No, I'll go and find it there, bro. Oh, you fuck! There we go.
Carb still leaks.
That's pretty funny.
So today we're going to be doing the Pinion seal on the Diff. Johnny's actually dressed for the occasion as well. And yeah, here's some B-roll of kind of the progress and where the Land Rover's at the moment.
And this is why you keep old shit. Perfect. That should hopefully stop all the... So what I'm doing here is I'm sliding out the half shafts. So when we check the resistance on the pinion, we're getting a true reading, because obviously the wheels are on the ground and they're not going to spin. This time around, as much as I hate it too, just remember, being stuck in the fact to know that I've spent more money at a track day than I have on a special day. Not a for a race. Spent more money at single. It's just what it costs to race a big ass bike with a shitload. There you go. So we checked the manual, and the brother reckoned foot pounds. It was actually inch pounds or pound inch, whatever, however you say it. But yeah, we need the small wrench. So lucky we haven't gone too far and crushed the sleeve. So at the moment I've got this set to its lowest setting, being 17.7 inch pounds. And we'll check, and it should. So there we are, 15 to 30, not foot pounds. So we know it spins at 30 inch pounds. So what we're going to do now is set it to the lowest setting, being 17.7, and see if it clicks. Clicks there, but I'll actually get it started. There's probably a little bit of breakaway resistance. There you go, just like if I start moving slightly too fast, or at some points, just ever so slightly, it's probably having a new seal in there too. It says to do it with the seal. I think that's as good as done. I mean, I could nip it up slightly more, but probably more likely to overdo it. So now that's done, all we've got left to do is we'll chuck the drive shaft on, and then a bit later on I'm going to have to fill that up with oil, some leaked out, fill the gearbox up, the T-case, and then we just have to put on the brake lines and the clutch line, and then it's ready for a drive. Nice. So So these are the old bolts. They're rusting through the zinc, so we'll fuck those off. And I've got these bad boys. They have no zinc, so they're pretty whatever. So I'm going to replace UNF with UNF. I also had UNC, but what you'll find with UNC is because the threads are deeper, the minor diameter of the bolt's actually slightly smaller, and it will have less strength in terms of shear and like braking force. Not by much, but the UNF is slightly bigger diameter, minor diameter. That one's not happening.